And today I'm going to teach you topic 3 from chapter 3 word processing, and the name of this topic is managing footer. Okay, so here we have to understand what is footer. Footer means foot, that means down part of our body, and here the body is your document, and footer is always present at the down or bottom of your page. Okay, so let's start. Take out page number 115. A footer is the text that appear at the bottom of page in Word. Okay, and just like the header, it has to its own special location and has special text. Foot, okay, just like header has its own text, own special location, footer is also have their own location, special location and text. Footer usually have elements like your name, document name, date, page number, phone number, address, email id, etc. So how we can set or insert a footer? The steps to insert a footer is given here. So let's start and understand the step. Step 1, we have to click the insert tab in the header and footer group. Click footer. In the header and footer group, we have to click the footer option. Okay. Step 2 is a drop down menu appear with many built in footer style. Okay, you can select the one you need, means you can select the style of footer as per your demand, as per your choice, as per your desire. Okay, so these are the interface when you select the footers. Here you can see that many options or many styles were given here. You can select as per your desires. Step 3 is design, and the design tab appear on the ribbon and the footer area in the document. And here in this picture you can see that these are the design area and this is the area of footer in a document. Okay, because at in our first page we can also read that the footer is always appear at the bottom of the document. That is why it is appear here. Okay, and step 4 is you can type the desired information into the footer which you want to feed or which you want to fill the information, documents related to documents. You can just type here. Okay, step 5 is once you have finished typing, click close header and footer in the design tab or press the ESC key. ESC key means the first key in your keyboard. Okay, if you can click this, press this key, you can finish your typing, and you can close the header and footer design in your from your web page. Okay, the footer will still be visible even after you close it, but will remain locked. Okay, that means we cannot be edit the footer after we can close it. How we can edit a footer? Editing a footer, just like header, you can double click on the footer section to edit it, or you can follow these steps. Click the insert tab. Firstly you have to click the insert tab, then the header and footer group, choose the footer option, edit footer, and the second step is edit or modify the footer. Use the command button of design tab for special items. Some very useful special items you can insert into a footer are given here. Just read it. So page number, date, graphics, it is very similarly to the header. As you know that, and you also we can also discuss about it in our previous class these options are available or present in header and both footer. Okay, click the close header and footer button when you have completed the task, then your task will be completed. But here some keynotes are given here. In the text that you enter the footer will be displayed in all the pages of the document. Okay, not only one page, it will showed or displayed or appear in the all pages. Just like you can make a document in which you can add 17 pages, so in every pages the footer will appear. Okay, here your topic 3 is finished, and on your next class we will discuss about topic 4.